we'll be working towards Bird of Paradise today. So if you're feeling tight in your shoulders or your upper back, you might have a strap nearby. And we'll start in Child's Pose. Take a few breaths to settle in, adjust your arm position, wiggle a little bit. And then settle into your first Child's Pose with a little bit of stillness. And each exhale, offer the weight of your body into the earth. Really feel a sense of groundedness in this pose passively. Each exhalation, the navel lifts and there's that passive groundedness in the floor. Each time that you inhale, create space between the tip of your tail and the crown of your head, stretching nice and long through your spine, each inhalation. Each exhale, navel to spine, as you find that passive groundedness into the earth. Slowing down your breathing here a little bit if you can. Breathe through your nose, otherwise combination of nose and mouth breathing, focusing your breath through the back of your throat. Think of where you would clear your throat. Just focusing your breath there as you breathe in and out slowly. Not, stretch your arms towards the top of your mat and go through tabletop position. Curling your toes under, the hands will walk forward of the shoulders. You can lift your knees, lift your hips, and press up and back into downward facing dog. Continue with that slow version of your breathing in and out through your nose. Now as you exhale, lift the navel, root down evenly into your hands and into your feet. And really focus on centering your weight, side to side, front to back, over your palms, side to side, front to back, over your feet. Each time you inhale, the tail is light and let your head hang heavy in between your upper arms. Throat, relaxing your neck. Coming up onto your tiptoes, walk your feet to the top of your mat. Into your forward fold. On an inhale, lift up halfway, find some length through your spine. Center the weight over the feet again, and as you exhale, forward fold. Sweep your arms behind you and interlace your fingers behind your back. And even if you have to keep a little bend in the knees, again, keep the weight centered over your feet and focus on opening across the chest as you fold, letting this arm position open the chest, activate your upper back, relax through the top of the shoulders, the head of the neck. Each inhale, hug the inseams of the legs in, let the head hang heavy. Each exhale, soften your glutes, lift your navel, root down into the four corners of your feet. The chest is open, but pecs are soft. Soften through the front of the chest. Releasing the arms down. Exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. And that sense of length here. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand all the way up. As you stand up, extend the arms up above your head. Exhale, hands come through the heart. And keep your gaze soft with your eyes closed. Release your arms down by your sides. Come back to that sense of your breath brushing up against the back of your throat as you breathe in and out through your nose. Ujjayi pranayama. Find a sense of groundedness through the waist down, a sense of lightness through the waist up. Inhale, stretch your arms up, extended mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold, navel to spine, head. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine, bend your knees, plant your palms, step back to plank. Top of the push-up. Take a couple breaths here, hugging the inseams of the legs in, activating your feet, activating your hands, keeping that length through your spine, keeping the gaze slightly in front of your mouth. Lifting up into your core. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga, bend your elbows. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra if you kept your knees down in chaturanga. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog pose. Breathe. Centering the weight from your feet to your hands, from your hands to your feet. Tail is length. Tiptoes, a little more weight in your hands, and then exhale, step or hop your feet forward, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale, forward fold, exhale. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Exhale, hands to your heart, and down by your sides. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold, navel to spine. Halfway lift, inhale, lengthen, step or hop your feet back through chaturanga. Exhale, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhalation, finding that sense of length through your underbelly, through your underarms. Exhale, navel to spine as you root evenly into your hands, into your feet. Inhale, exhale, step or hop, top of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, fold, exhale. Extended mountain pose, inhale, hands come through the heart and then down along your sides, exhale. Inhale, extended mountain, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. Inhale, drop your knees, roll over your feet. Come to seated and then slowly lower all the way onto your back. Crossing your right leg over your left leg, maybe ankle behind the ankle cross, like eagle pose. And then bringing your left elbow on top of your right elbow, hugging the palms, the back of the palms together, tuck your chin, sit up, bring your elbows towards the outside of your right thigh. And as you inhale, set your head down, tap your fingers and your toes. As you exhale, sit up. Inhale, exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, exhale, keep the arms and the legs hugging in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stay connected here. Pause. And then release. Switching to the other side. Bringing the left thigh on top. Bringing the ankle behind the ankle cross. Bringing the right elbow on top. Back of the palms, your palms squeezed up your chin. Draw into your core. Elbows come outside of the left thigh. Hugging the inseams of the legs in. The inseams of the arms in. Exhale, sit up. Inhale, tap the fingers and the toes. Exhale. Inhale, the head sets down, the neck stays soft. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Activate the arms and legs. Exhale, inhale. Chest stays soft. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, fire up the core. Inhale. Exhale, sit up. Hold.
Yo.
And then release. Rocking yourself upright and rocking back all the way under your belly. Uncurl your toes. Forehead to the mat. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Activate your legs. Inseams of the legs hug in. Root your tailbone down. And then lift your head, lift your chest, and then lift your legs. Keep that activation of the legs. Legs are strong. It makes your upper body lighter. Awaken your upper back so that your chest can be soft. The arms are engaged here. And you can slowly release back onto your belly. Inhale, press up through plank. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Breathe. Weight still centered from feet to hands, from hands to feet. Inhale. Exhale to the top of your mat. Half lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Bend your knees, chair pose. Reaching the arms up, top line of the shoulders, stay soft. Exhale, hands come through the heart. Release the arms down along your sides. Inhale through your chair pose. Weight centered over the feet. Inseams of the legs hug in. Exhale, forward fold, navel to spine. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog pose. Inhale, downward facing dog pose. Exhale. Raise your right leg. Inhale, knee to nose. Exhale. Inhale, extend the leg up. Exhale, draw into your core. Lean into the hands. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. This time, lunge your right foot forward. Spin your back heel down, warrior one. Inhale, the arms reach up. Legs are strong. Exhale, palms come to the mat. Bring your right knee towards your right arm. Inhale, extend the leg back. Keep the legs strong, Chaturanga. Exhale. Up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Inhale, the left leg lifts. Navel to spine as you exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend it up. Exhale, weight centered over the palms. Inhale. Exhale, lunge your left foot forward. Warrior one, left side. Inhale, the arms reach up. The inseams of the legs are still hugging in. Weight centered over your feet. Exhale. Left leg back. Through your Vinyasa. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, top of your mat. Half lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Chair pose. Inhale. Stand up, hands through your heart. Exhale. Inhale through chair. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, Chaturanga. Weight centered over your palms. Inhale, upward facing dog. Strong legs. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg lifts. Inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Stretch it up. Inhale. Exhale, weight centered over the palms. One more time. Inhale. Lunge it through. Exhale. Warrior one. Inhale. Chaturanga. Exhale. Upward facing dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale, left leg raises. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, stretch it up. Draw into your core. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Step your left foot forward. Warrior one. Inhale. Feet centered over the feet. Exhale through your Vinyasa. Stay connected to your core. Keep that left leg strong, even if it's hovering. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Hop to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Inhale. Fold. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Inhale, the arms sweep up. On your exhale, cross your right over your left arm, and cross your right leg over your right arm. Right arm under, right leg over. Garudasana, you can stay upright in your eagle pose. You can bring the elbows towards the outer right thigh, hugging the inseams of the legs in, drawing into the core. Stay centered over your left foot and open your right leg out to your right. Set up tree pose. Press your right foot into your right inner thigh or into your right inner calf. And you're stretching, into your left inner thigh or your left inner calf. You're pressing the right foot and the left leg into each other. You're stretching up long through your torso. Breathe. Hands come through the heart. And exhale, release your right leg down. Inhale, arms reach up. This time we'll go left arm under right arm. Bend your knees, left leg over right leg. Tiptoes to the floor, ankle behind your ankle. Draw into the core, stay centered over your right standing foot. Elbows come outside the left thigh. Breathe. Inhale. As you exhale, stand up, open your left leg out to the left, tree pose. Pressing left foot into right thigh. Centered over your right foot, reach your arms up. That sense of stability in your lower half is what allows you to find that lift from the waist up. As best you can, hips stay level from left to right. Breathe. Release. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, raise your right leg, and this time bend your right knee, open your hips towards the right. For our purposes right now, re-extend your right leg and lunge your right foot forward. Warrior one, inhale. Warrior two, exhale. Breathe. Weight centered over your feet. Right knee tracking right over the center of your right foot. Right elbow to thigh, left arm reaches up. Turn your left palm to face behind you and then wrap your left arm behind your back. You can keep elbow to thigh. You can grab your right ankle with your right hand or complete your bind, either wrapping the right arm under the right leg, completing the bind that way, or using a strap here. Awaken your upper back, root into your feet. Each exhale, navel to spine. And each inhale, chest is open and you're rotating your rib cage up towards the sky. Palms come to your mat, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale, extend it back. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift your left leg, bend your left knee, open your hips towards your left. Weight stays centered over your palms. Inhale, re-extend the left leg. Exhale, lunge your left foot forward. Warrior one, inhale. Warrior two, exhale. Weight still centered over both feet. Legs are strong so the upper body can feel light. Relax your chest, keep your arms strong. Top line of the shoulders softens. Side angle pose, left elbow to thigh, right arm reaches up, right arm wraps behind your back. You can keep the elbow on the thigh, you can grab the left ankle, or complete your bind, either using a strap or grabbing your right hand or your left wrist with your right hand. Awaken your upper back, shoulder blades flush into your back. You're rotating your rib cage up towards the sky. You're rooted through your feet. Hug that left hip in and under your body. Release the hands down, left knee to left elbow, exhale. Inhale, extend it back. Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Breathe. Walking your feet and your hands towards each other, center of the mat. Inhale, exhale. Sweep your arms behind you and wrap the opposite thumb on top this time as you interlace. Again, find that awakening through your upper back. Spine is long by the head dropping and the tail lifting. Weight is centered over your feet. Inseams of the legs hug in as you fold. You can soften your butt. Releasing the arms. And slowly rolling your spine all the way upright. Turning to face the side of your mat. Feet turn at a 60-degree angle out to the sides. Don't go full 90 on me. Bend the knees. Bring your hands through your heart. Come into a goddess squat. Horse squat, if the word goddess bothers you. Straightening the legs, hands through the heart. And as you inhale, reach the arms up, bend the knees. So inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, extend the legs, hands through your heart. Inhale, exhale. Keep the weight centered over your feet. Spine tall. Inhale, exhale. And then turn your feet so that they're parallel and fold forward now. And you can keep your hands on your ankles. And then walk your hands over towards your right leg. And you can bring your right hand to your right ankle, your right shin. Reach your left arm up. Keep your feet facing the side of the mat the best you can. You're going to wrap your left arm behind your back. And a couple times I want you to bend the right knee. And then straighten the right knee. Rotating the rib cage up, good. And then forward fold again here. Walking your hands towards your left foot. Left hand comes to the ankle, the shin. Right arm stretches up and wraps behind your back, just like we did in that side angle pose position, that half wrap. Good. Bend the left knee, straighten it. Bend it, straighten it. Bend it, straighten it. Keep the knee tracking right over the center of the foot. Come back through the center of your forward fold. Take a few more breaths here. Head hangs heavy. Inseams of the legs hug in. Soften and widen through your glutes. Really let this stretch the back of the legs. Keep the weight centered over your feet. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, come back into your goddess squat again. Feet 60 degrees out to the sides. Outer hips hug in and under. And you're sweeping your arms behind you and interlacing your fingers behind your back. Awaken your upper back. Let the upper body feel light. Play with lifting one heel at a time, keeping the weight centered over the foot that is flat. And then extend the legs. And step or hop your feet together. Step or hop your feet to the top of your mat. Breathe. Inhale, extended mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, raise your right leg. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hips towards the right. Stay here or take your wild thing, keeping the weight centered over the left palm. Back through three-legged dog, inhale. Right foot steps forward, exhale. Warrior one, inhale. Warrior two, exhale. Straighten the right leg, sweep your arms behind you, and with that interlace, come into triangle pose, really wrapping the top shoulder, the top pec back, strong through the spine, long through the spine, open your arms, triangle pose. Weight stays centered over your feet, side to side, front to back. Each exhale, connect to the floor. Each inhale, get longer, and you can wrap the top arm behind your back. Practice that half wrap again here. Releasing the hands down. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, down dog. Lift your left leg, inhale, bend the left knee, tip your hips open, either stay here or take your wild thing. Feet face the back of the mat. Weight stays centered over your right palm. Three-legged dog, inhale. Warrior One, inhale. Warrior Two, exhale. Straighten the left leg, sweep your arms behind your back. And with that interlace behind the back, lean the torso forward, keep that strength through your back leg, like you're rebounding off the back leg through your spine. And you can keep the interlace, reach your arms straight out, just like you normally do in your triangle pose. Option is there to bind the top arm behind your back. Inhale back through your three-legged dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, lunge your right foot forward. Warrior One, inhale. Warrior Two, exhale. Side angle pose, inhale. Find your half wrap in the top arm. Find the bottom arm wrapping under the right leg. And I want you to find that goddess pose position again with the legs, and then shift the weight into your back leg, into your left leg, and lift your right leg up. Now you could be holding the shin, you can have the full bind like I do here. Right knee can stay bent, right leg can extend. In your bird of paradise, keep the weight centered over that bottom foot. Setting the foot back down, use your core so you can readjust. Right foot faces forward again, left foot faces the side of your mat, come back through your side angle, and then release. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bend the knee, either three-legged here or take your wild thing, take another breath. And then come back through down dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Lunge it forward, exhale, Warrior One, inhale. Warrior Two, exhale. Side angle pose, inhale. Find the wrap, half wrap or full wrap. Channel your goddess pose. Draw into the core so you can adjust the feet, and then shift your weight into your right leg, lift your left leg, bird of paradise. You're hugging the left arm and leg into each other, whether you're holding the shin, the ankle, or you have the full bind like I do. Weight stays centered over that standing leg. Breathing here, awaken your upper back, set the foot back down. Again, draw into your core so you're light, and you can readjust the feet. Left toes face straight forward, right toes face the side of the mat. Inhale, three-legged dog. Take your wild thing again here if you'd like. Taking one more vinyasa, exhale, inhale, back through your downward facing dog pose as you exhale. Breathe. Dropping your knees, rolling over your feet. And here, reconnecting to your breath as you come all the way onto your back. Feet come hip distance apart, close to the butt. Bend your elbows like robot arms, press your upper arms into your mat, lift up through bridge. You could stay here or take upward facing bow pose, fingertips under the shoulders, elbows hug in. On an exhale, you'll press out through the arms and the legs. Keep the legs strong. Inseams of the legs hug in. Arms are strong. Upper back is awake. Breathe. Slow, full breaths. When you're ready to, you can slowly roll the spine back down. Upper back, mid back, low back, tailbone, arms. Bring your right knee into your chest. Cross your right leg across your body. And as you open the right arm out beside you, you can keep the right knee bent. You can extend the leg. Each inhale, pull the right hip away from the right shoulder. Soften and brighten across your chest. Each exhale, navel to spine. Really feel the rotation of your rib cage towards the right side of your mat. Then you can inhale back through the center. Switch legs, left knee into your chest, left side of the twist. As the leg extends or stays bent, your left arm opens out just a little lower than your left shoulder, and you're looking over the left arm. There's that exhale, navel to spine, rotating the ribs towards the left. And each inhale, you're pulling the left hip out of the left side waist, opening up through the left side. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Come back through the center. Hug your knees into your chest. Soles of the feet together now. Open the knees out to the sides. Supta Baddha Konasana. Left hand to your chest, right hand to your belly. Let your elbows drop heavy into your mat. Close your eyes. And let the warmth of your practice bring a little bit more presence into your physical body. Notice any sensations, temperature of yourself, of the mat. Let your breath be a little bit more natural now. Each breath in, breathe into the floor. Breathe into your hands. Each breath out, again, offer the weight of your body into the floor. Find that passive groundedness down into the earth. Extend your legs down, release your arms down by your sides, Shavasana. Relax your eyelids. Imagine you're looking down with your gaze. Any kind of movement here, slow movements, deep breaths. As you're ready to roll over onto your favorite side and press yourself up to seated, keeping your gaze soft or your eyes closed. Find a seated position, bringing your hands, palms together in front of your heart, bowing your chin. Sitting with a nice tall spine, light heart. May we find refuge in our bodies today, and may we find clarity in our minds. Thanks for sharing your practice today.